If your characters won't shut up, it's probably because you don't know what else to do with them. Harsh? Yeah. But true? Absolutely. Today I'm explaining dialogue-heavy scenes killing your short films and how to fix them. Show, don't tell. Most beginner filmmakers write dialogue-heavy scenes because it's easy. Talking heads are cheap. No blocking, no visuals, just expositions. But here's the problem. Movies are a visual medium. If your audience could get the same information by listening to a podcast, you failed. Instead of having a character say they're angry, show us that instead. They slam the door, for instance. They throw a piece of glass. They stare in silence. Jaw clenched. Close-ups. The moment hits way harder than a monologue about how upset they are. Don't insult your audience's intelligence. By the way, if you're serious about filmmaking and want to skip a lot of the trial and error that I went through, I put everything I've learned into Freedom Filmmakers. It's our online film school for aspiring filmmakers. Simple, no BS lessons on writing, shooting, and actually getting better. You get lifetime access, full customer support, and honestly, you get me as a resource if you need advice or feedback, or just someone to point you in the right direction. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested, or if you just need someone for therapy. I got you for that too. This doesn't mean cut all dialogue. It means dialogue earns its place. Ask yourself this. Does this line move the story forward? Does it reveal character? Does it create conflict or tension? If the answer is no, delete it. Simple as that. Here's your homework for today. Take one of your dialogue-heavy scenes and rewrite it with 0 lines spoken. Force yourself to communicate everything visually. Then add dialogue back in only where it makes the scene stronger. Movies are visual, guys. Storytelling first. Dialogue's just seasoning, not the whole dish. Stop leaning on it like a crutch. Your films will thank you for it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.